हेलो एंड वेलकम टू बिट इनिंग। माय नेम इज़ निहाल एंड आज हम बात करेंगे ASCII के जो गाइडलाइंस हैं विच हैव बिन लेड आउट फॉर एडवर्टाइजिंग ऑफ वर्चुअल डिजिटल एसेट्स। नाउ 4 पेज की समरी रिपोर्ट है विच आई विल बी लिंकिंग इन द डिस्क्रिप्शन बिलो, बट टू समराइज दिस मिस्टर काशिफ हैज़ broken this into points. Let's look at it. तो गाइडलाइंस हैं रिगार्डिंग क्रिप्टो एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स विच आर फाइनली आउट इन इंडिया एंड दे विल बी इफेक्टिव फ्रॉम 1st April 2022. Now, let's have a look at it. All ads for VDA products and VDA exchanges or who feature VDAs must carry the following disclaimer. Crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and can be highly risky. There may be no regulatory recourse for any loss from such transactions. इसका मतलब ये है कि every consumer needs to be aware that whatever money they're putting in this market is subject to high risks and there may or may not be any regulatory recourse for any loss which they may incur. Now the second point is disclaimers should be prominent and unmissable. We might have seen a couple of ads before which had promising returns and were in the face. Now it's not possible to do those kind of ads, and it clearly states that print may at least 1/5 of the advertising space at the bottom of the advertisement should be with a disclaimer. When it comes to videos, the disclaimer should be placed at the end of the advertisement against a plain background with a voiceover, and if the video is long, it needs to be included beforehand as well. Now, when it comes to social media or social media influencers who are promoting any such VDA products or services, a disclaimer must be carried in both the caption as well as any picture or video attachments. इसका मतलब let's look at it in depth because we're talking about social media platforms as well. To be noted is point number D, E and F, जहाँ पे it focuses on your various social media post formats also. When it comes to image, when it comes to videos, when it comes to your short snippets like your reels or stories, हर चीज़ में disclaimer होना is very important. And if the space or the constraints हैं जहाँ पे you cannot include the whole sentence, crypto products and NFTs are unregulated and risky. इस line को you need to have it embedded in all your stories, reels and other formats which are put out on social media, which are time constrained or time bound. Now let's go back to the next point. The words such as currency, securities, custodian or depositories may not be used in the advertisements. इसका main objective ये है कि this will inculcate a wrong notion in the consumers that they think that it falls under the regulated market, which is not true at this moment. Advertisements that provide information on the cost of profitability of VDA products shall contain clear, accurate and sufficient and updated information. Moving on to the next point, information on past performance, that is returns for a period of less than 12 months shall not be included. आप जो भी returns आप दिखाना चाहते हो, suppose it could be for a token like a Ethereum, or if you want to show past products like past product performance of a Bitcoin, then it should be done for the more than 12 months. 12 months की returns के ऊपर होनी चाहिए. That is a major requirement. When it comes to every advertisement for VDA products must clearly give out the name of the advertiser and provide an easy way to contact them. This means that at the end of the video or at the end of the ad, it needs to be clearly implied where can a consumer reach out to. It could be a phone number, it could be a valid phone number or an email address. No advertisement for VDA products or exchanges may show a minor, which is very important. No advertisement may show that VDA products or VDA trading could be a solution to money problems, personality problems or such drawbacks. लोगों की खामियां पे focus नहीं करनी चाहिए when you're showing the ads which are specific to VDA products and services. No advertisement shall contain statements that promise or guarantee future increase in profits. As we all know how crypto and NFT markets are risky at the moment, and have been for a couple of months and years, there should be no promise of sure short returns के इतना अगर आप इन्वेस्ट करो तो आपको आफ्टर अ पीरियड ऑफ सर्टन months or years you will get this much lump sum amount, etc. Next point is VDA products may not be compared to any other asset class which is regulated. By this it means कि आपका म्यूचुअल फंड हो गया, आपके स्टॉक्स हो गए, आपकी गोल्ड हो गया, it need not be compared to any of these asset classes in the future. Celebrities and prominent personalities must take special care to ensure that they have done their due diligence about the statements and claims. As we've seen in the past couple of months, there have been a lot of celebrities promoting, the cryptocurrency exchanges in the past, and they have come to the forefront and openly told that you could start your investment journey with as low as 100 rupees. So all of this will have to be strictly followed from now on. It needs to be done with the prescribed guidelines as issued by ASCI. And the most important bit of it is to note that these guidelines do not amount to any legal recognition or endorsement of the industry or the sector, as that is the government policy. इसका मतलब ये है कि these guidelines do not mean that cryptocurrencies or NFTs are legal as of today. इसका decision government लेगी after the bill has been tabled and discussed. So we feel that the crypto community in India has welcomed these guidelines because there was a lot of uncertainty among the masses as well कि करना क्या चाहिए, whether to start that investment journey, what kind of investments does a person need to do, etc. Now the main objective for any government would be consumer protection, and this is the first step towards that. So government has not banned crypto advertisements per se, which is a very positive step in our opinion. And yeah, let's see what happens in the future. Please feel free to let us know in the comments below on what you think about these new ASCI guidelines which have been laid out for the various VDA products and services. And if you've enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe the channel, and see you next time. Thank you.